Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe for roasted red snapper. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and wash your fish with some limes or lemons, and then you want to pat the fish dry. For the seasoning, I will be using some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, paprika, some fish seasoning, Old Bay, and seasoned salt. I also will be using fresh green seasoning. The link to that will be listed down below. And I have here some tomato sauce. Tomato sauce, the acidity is great on the fish, but if you don't want to use it, you can simply add about a tablespoon of lime or lemon juice. You want to combine all these ingredients, mix well, and this will be used as our marinade for our fish. Once I was done, I went ahead and placed some incisions or slits into the fish just to make sure the marinade gets down into every crease and crevices, and so that the fish will be well marinated. Next, I went ahead and coat my fish real well in the insides, outsides, and in all of those incisions that we made. Make sure that the fish is generously coated with the marinade, and then we will allow it to sit for about 30 minutes before we place it inside of the oven. You always want to give your meat, fish, or poultry time for that seasoning to penetrate before cooking, and you get the best results. Rushing the process, it just wastes the ingredients in my opinion. So yeah. Next, you want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your fish on a wire rack, and you want to spray with some cooking spray, or you can add some melted butter so that the fish will be roasted and have that perfect golden brown color. Once it's done, we roast this for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes, this is how the fish is looking. It smells absolutely divine. I did pair it up with some fried bora or long bean, white rice, and some red bean, and let me tell you, this meal was everything. I truly enjoyed it, and I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.